Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you the top 5 best courses on WordPress. So, if you are looking for an online course related to WordPress, then this video belongs to you. All these courses have a high rating and these are paid courses. Because if you are looking for free courses, then you can simply search on YouTube for some tutorial videos. You will also get a 30-day money-back guarantee with these courses. Now, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Course number 1. Learn Elementor and WordPress for startups and freelancers. More than 7,000 people have already enrolled for this course. This course have an average rating of 4.6 and this course is basically for freelancers. This course includes 2.5 hours of in-demand video. This is a course that will bring you from beginner to master, so you don't need to have any skills in web design or development. You only need a strong internet connection and a computer for this course. After this course, you'll have the skills to create websites that could sell for a couple of $1,000s, whether it's a quality website for yourself or for a client. The instructor of this course is a freelancer who builds websites for the clients. He also have a YouTube channel where he shares some of his WordPress tutorials for free. I suggest you to check out his YouTube channel before purchasing this course. Course number 2. WordPress Web Development Course for Beginners. This course have more than 20,000 enrollments with an average rating of 4.6. This is a 9.5-hour beginner's level course for anyone who wants to create their own website using WordPress, or any developer starting out, and wants to learn a bit more about WordPress. In this course, you will learn how to create your own website, using the powerful content management system, WordPress. You will learn everything from A to Z, so even if you have never even thought about creating a website, once you have completed this course, you will know how to develop your own website. You should be able to create a blogging site or even a website for your business. The instructor of this course is a freelance web designer, developer and programmer with 5 years experience in designing and developing responsive websites and e-commerce stores. He also have a YouTube channel where he shares some of his tutorials for free. So make sure to check out his channel before purchasing this course. Course number 3. WordPress Complete Course 2021. Master WordPress easily. This course has more than 5,000 enrollments with an average rating of 4.7. This course includes 3 hours of in-demand video lectures and lots of assignments as well. WordPress 2021 course is designed for beginners who don't know anything about developing a website. In this course you will learn everything required to develop your own responsive dynamic and interactive website from scratch. With WordPress powering more than 70% of all CMS websites in the world, there's never been a better time to build an income and a business around it. The instructor of this course is a digital marketer himself. He also have a YouTube channel with over 15,000 subscribers. So make sure to check out his channel before purchasing this course. Course number 4. WordPress Website Blog Tutorials. This course has an average rating of 4.9 and nearly 10,000 students has already enrolled this course until now. This course focuses on how to create an easy, fast and professional WordPress blog using Elementor. The course content 1.5 hours on-demand video lectures. By seeing the reviews, we found that the instructor have a very interesting way of teaching. So many students have liked his course just because of the way he teach. The instructor of this course is an experienced software engineer and front-end developer. He already designed, developed and implemented more than 100 operational websites. Employed by numerous technological companies and organizations as a developmental consultant. Course number 5. WordPress 101, Ultimate Marketing Automation 2021. This course has an average rating of 4.6 and is enrolled by over 200 students. This course is set up to give you a comprehensive WordPress learning experience. If you are looking to set up your e-commerce or your affiliate marketing website, then this course is specially for you. This video course will show you how to set up an affiliate program for your WordPress website even if you don't have a good technical knowledge. You will learn what tools you will need to get the ball rolling on setting up your affiliate system, a quick overview of the entire system so that you can put the pieces of the puzzle together, and how this system works. You will also get to know about different automation scenarios, website maintenance automation, content marketing automation, social media automation, e-commerce automation, membership automation, best complete automation plugins. The instructor, Mark Barra, is an online business entrepreneur and marketing expert with over 14 years of experience in copywriting, SEO, social media marketing, web development, web design, ads marketing, retargeting, data mining, and online business automation, among others. I highly recommend this course to everyone. I hope you liked this video. If you want to purchase any of these courses, then you can directly click on the link which is given in the description to check out the courses. Thanks for watching this video.